G'day guys, Connor here. Today we're working on the bullbar. We already did it, forgot to actually start recording, that's why there's cables and all that everywhere. But now we're actually going to show you what we're doing with it. So we're pulling this one here off, and Jack has graciously let me restore his bullbar. So this one here will be going on to my Zook. Give us enough space to put the winch that I want on it. So we'll see how that goes. I got myself a new toy. It's a little cut-off wheel. It's a little die grinder thingy. We've got it, so this part of the suspension here, one of the most important parts of your car, we need to start cutting bits off it. The bull bar that come off of Jack's comp truck needs to go in here, and all of this support for the actual leaf springs is in the way. We're going to try and deal with that by just cutting the little slot in there so it can slide in. And then we're going to reinforce the hell out of the inside and all of this in preparation for our trip. So, hell of a lot of work for, 48 hours of driving. We'll see how that goes. It's just past 6 o'clock now, so we're racing for time. Going to do some cable management, and if we can, I'll get to cutting tonight. Just a bunch of zip ties, working out, stuff like that. Yeah, so this is the cable we're trying to sort out right now. If I stop standing on it, it's coming off of the headlight. Just trying to get it down here to then follow along there just to hide it. So I'll be following along in here to hide it. Just got to figure out how to do that right now. Get that first zippy tie through there. Crunch that down a little bit. And then from there, we can probably start tracking. Bye-bye, phone! Got it. Zip tie through there. I'm not sure if that's a stock hole or not. I'm going to get it all nice and tight along, and then down one side I'm going to bunch it up like that and cord it up. So, pretty happy with that. Can't see nothing there. It's not going to bite up on nothing here. The airing box is pretty close, so just want to be a bit careful with that. There's no room in these Suzuki's for nothing. Now we're trying to get the cord down around here. I'm going to zip tie it from here and then pull it back up. So sweep from there. So yeah, now all I'm trying to do is bunch it up like that, so I can grab another zip tie. Nicely like that. If I was smart, I could have used that zip tie to also zip it down to where I want it to. But there's one of these nice retention thingies here. It's not going to stay, so we'll zip tie it to it as well.
To put thread locker on that, but me.
Yeah, it's only been used for a short time.
So that whole thing before about, we don't need thread locker. We need thread locker. We don't have a very big air compressor right now, so all of it matters. we'll see how she goes. Still leaking a tiny bit. Let's see if I can just get it a little bit tighter.
Now we're gonna figure out that cut there.
Righto, so I'm off to grab the tool bag off to Narnia land. Coming over now. I got the tool bag. Now try and break this bit here out. Giving Jack a bit of an experience with this die grinder now, letting him cut into my car. Don't be scared.
I'll let you cut into my car eventually.
I've already stole a bull bar off it. I ripped your winch out.
Yeah.
Put it that way. Head of the bolt's too big, that's getting alright. G'day guys, we've kind of teleported to a different location now. So I stole Jack's bull bar, didn't really give him the choice, just took it off one day, restored it, all of that. So now we're put his bull bar on so that his car has a face. It's all hand tight right now, so it's a bit hey going. I'll be stealing these lights off it here because the comp truck doesn't need it. Yeah, we'll be removing all of these and all that stuff too sometime soon.